In today's video, we are unlocking the secrets to making the juiciest eggs and the thickest, most delicious tomato soup imaginable. From perfectly cooked eggs to a rich, natural tomato flavor, we'll guide you through each step, ensuring a delightful and comforting outcome. Get ready to elevate your cooking skills and treat yourself to a bowl of pure homemade bliss. The following steps will unveil the secret to achieving the juiciest eggs and best tomato soup using locally available ingredients. Watch along and enjoy. Thanks for joining on this flavorful adventure. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to stay tuned for more delicious recipes, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.